Nestled in the western reaches of India, Gujarat is a land of captivating diversity. Its Arabian Sea coastline gives life to a vibrant maritime culture, while its landscapes oscillate from the arid expanses of Kutch to the verdant forests of the Downs. Despite being a flourishing state with cultural diversity and natural beauty, Gujarat is also known for its susceptibility to natural disasters. On January 26, 2001, the ground beneath Gujarat shook violently, a moment etched in history. The Bhuj earthquake, with a magnitude of 7.7, left a trail of devastation. Thousands of lives were lost, and infrastructure lay in ruins. Yet from the rubble, Gujarat's unwavering determination to rebuild stood tall. In the aftermath, as dust settled, Gujarat's resilience took center stage. Communities united, learning vital lessons about our planet's formidable forces. Leading this charge was the Institute of Seismological Research, ISR. Institute of Seismological Research, under the Science and Technology Department of Government of Gujarat, is scaling new heights and expanding its horizons in line with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, in the parliamentary constituency of Shri Amit Shah, and the able guidance of Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel. Founded in 2003 by the Gujarat Government Science and Technology Department, ISR has been a beacon of knowledge and preparedness. With a steadfast commitment to earthquake understanding and mitigation, ISR has embraced a multidisciplinary approach.
ISR has been formed in the year 2003 and it has clear three mandates. The main mandate of this is to monitor the seismicity in and around the Gujarat region. And then the second most important mandate is to provide the seismic hazard assessment of different cities, different monuments, different regions of the Gujarat. And the third one is to understand the physics of earthquakes that has been happening in this region.
At the heart of ISR's mission is its dense network of over 110 broadband seismic stations.
We are receiving the online data from 50 broadband seismic stations via VSAT. Any earthquake of magnitude greater than 2.5 on Richter magnitude scale is immediately reported to the government higher officials. This work is much useful for immediate relief and rescue operations during large earthquakes and also to allay the fear among the people.
Tirelessly monitoring seismic activity 24/7 whole year. When the ground trembles, ISR swiftly alerts government authorities, disaster management teams, and the public through SMS, email, and website updates. ISR is diligently overseeing the seismic activity related to significant hydro projects such as Sardar Sarovar Project, Kalpasar, and large dams in the state. ISR's impact stretches beyond immediate alerts. The Institute's expertise extends to assessing seismic hazards on a grand scale from macro to micro level. ISR has been conducting site-specific seismic study for the diverse and extensive landscape of the country, from Gujarat to Assam and northern to southern Indian states. At a macro level, ISR meticulously analyzes earthquake hazards from coastal installations and nuclear power plants to iconic structures like the Sardar Patel Statue of Unity. By collaborating with renowned institutions and universities, ISR's reach expands, influencing projects of societal significance.
We have done microdonation of Gift City also, microdonation of Ahmedabad, microdonation of Gandhinagar. Now we are conducting microdonation of 8 cities in northern India, which comes under Government of India 30 Smart Cities project.
ISR is not confined to data analysis alone. It pioneers earthquake prediction research through advanced multi-parametric geophysical observatories, in which instruments like superconducting gravimeter, radon gas monitoring instrument, magnetometer, water level recorder are measuring a spectrum of parameters that offer potential earthquake forewarnings.
Here we monitor different types of parameters continuously to find out some earthquake precursor signals.
ISR has a range of facilities to support its research, education, and practical applications. It has laboratories equipped with advanced instruments and tools for conducting field surveys to gather data on subsurface structures and properties, for analyzing rock and soil strengths.
We have immense potential of this chronological facility where we basically date a sequence or a sedimentary layer of past. It has a range of something like last 2 lakh years. We can date it very well. It usually dates quartz, but we can also date feldspar and other polymineralic grains as well.
This technique has application in wide range of subjects such as assessing the timing of a past tsunami event or an earthquake event or climate transition.
ISR has state-of-the-art analytical facilities and laboratories which have aids to policymakers and stakeholders in resolving environmental and social issues.
We have XRF and CNS in this lab. XRF provides information of both major and trace elements found in the soil sediment ranging from sodium to uranium and thorium. Additionally, it contributes to evaluating the past climatic changes studies, tsunami research studies, paleo-environmental studies, and past sea level studies. The CNS measures the concentration of total carbon, total nitrogen, total sulfur, and are used to deduce the past environmental changes, as they are often governed by the plants and environments of their origin.
A dense network of GPS stations is deployed in order to understand the tectonic process in the Gujarat region. ISR is having a wide array of geophysical instruments such as magnetometers, gravimeters, resistivity meters, electromagnetic sensors, and many more that will enable the users a comprehensive geophysical study. ISR has strategically placed 3 strain meters within the Narmada basin, enabling the meticulous monitoring of even the slightest changes in strain rate.
With the clear vision of our then Chief Minister and now the Prime Minister of India, Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji, and with the inputs from the present Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel ji, we are now entering into new domains. Now we are also doing some work for the identification of sweet spots of water in different parts of Gujarat. We have a huge amount of data. We have a repository of almost more than 20,000 earthquakes. Now we are using the latest artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to get more information out of this data set.
The Institute's commitment transcends borders as other states seek its expertise to establish their seismic networks and seismic hazard studies, a testament of ISR's global recognition. But ISR is not content with just scientific rigor. It strives to empower the masses, debunking fears and anxieties about earthquakes. From vibrant exhibitions to open doors for the public and students, ISR brings earthquake awareness to life. Its website, a hub of real-time information, sees daily visits, illustrating the thirst for knowledge. Through triumphs and trials, Institute of Seismological Research stands as a beacon of resilience, unwavering in its pursuit to make its land and people safer. Gujarat's spirit knows no bounds as it gazes towards the future, armed with the wisdom of the past.
इसी प्रकार से सिस्मोलॉजी इंस्टीट्यूट जो बना है, ये दुनिया को बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन गुजरात का, दुनिया को है। और साइंटिस्ट मैं देख रहा हूँ, ऐसे नौजवान यहाँ रिसर्च में लगे हुए हैं, पीएचडी कर रहे हैं। न कभी उनके अखबार में फोटो छपने वाली है, न टीवी पर दिखने वाले हैं, लेकिन उनकी इस तपस्या के कारण लाखों की जिंदगी बचने